Hello. Today we are going to have a lesson. First, we have to flip upside down. Only dirty deck. Dirty deck. Hiya! It's the clean team! On its evil schemes! Hi. I will be destroying all the grocery bags, or they will all die. Hello, camera. Radio. I want Radio Rec, but there is no Radio Rec. Oh well, I'll just wreck you. Sundown. Now, let me go to the top of the slide. Oh yeah! Oh, nothing. Accomplished. Hiya! Clean demo! Oh no! Me went no. There's a construction! Calm down! Here's disinfector! And another disinfector! Ah! Here is my twin brother. I should be the star. Oh, I have one more friend of destruction. Come down. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, hi, Dirty Dick. And today I will be opening grocery gang. One of these. These. And then my sister will be joining in right there. From Peyton's channel. So first I got fish and stick. Go check her channel out. This is fish and sticks, and this one is comment. Next up here. Oh, you got the skateboard? You there. Yes. Grease Burger. Who's Grease Burger? This is Grease Burger. Grease Burger, the burger, the burger, the burger, the burger. The burger, the burger, the burger, the burger. The burger. This guy. And then this 12 pack right here. How many did you open of these? How many did you get of these? How many? And the bad guys are clean. How many did you get of these? How many did you get? 2? And how many? 2. Okay.
gonna get two.
No!
I just said two twice. But they both have different names.
I got Sloppy Pizza Box. And Sloppy Pizza Box is... Hold on, Nathan.
This
It is from the
Busted Box
Alley.
and Gloves. And he...
And he's common. This is Busted Boxing Gloves. And he
Boxing! He said boxing.
Busted Boxing Gloves. Next, this is the...
Cuckoo Waka.
No, that's not the Cuckoo Waka.
I don't know if there is a Cuckoo Waka.
Is the-
And just so you know, I got that for him, and probably these surprises will be good.
Don't put the...
I'm popping them out.
No. They're not in blind bags.
This is probably fancy limited edition. He's got one of the bad guys. Well, he has a lot of the bad guys, yeah. How long is this video? Hi guys, we're still stuck in here.
Where is it?
Oh, here.
Right over. Lumpy Lasagna.
Ew.
And he is common. And this is Fungus Fridge.
Fungus Ridge? Ew.
And he is rare. This is our first match. Not a duplicate.
Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Of the Grease Burgers. Wasteburger Brothers.
I touch you, I touch you, I touch you. And I block your view, and I block your view. Sorry. Yuck, Taco. And he is common. Who in the world is that? Oh, I think that one's new to him.
Yeah, this is
Crunch cake.
Crud Cake.
Oh.
And this is common, and it's also new. Yeah.
I'll hand you the burger game like you never took them out.
This is Snail Fail.
I'm a fail.
Scrab. Sorry, and Snail Fail was rare. This is Scrab Crab, and he is common. And this is Scummy Sucker Ball, and he is rare. On to the blind bags. This is a duplicate vermin biter. It's called Putrid Pigeon, and this is a special edition. Last but not least, this is a duplicate Filth Buster. Clean Team, bad guy.
It's an enemy.
Yes, it is a complete enemy.